Hi, I'm Sonna Brado, Global Artist for KMS. I'm from Spokane, Washington, USA. Today on my model, Alicia, I'm going to be taking her into a shorter bob with a lot of texture. To start Alicia's look, I'm starting out with the CONSCIOUSSTYLE shampoo and conditioner. I'm using the MOISTREPAIR Leave-In, which is going to keep her hair moist throughout the haircut and acts as a great cutting lotion. The placement of her bob is going to be really important based on her facial structure. So I want to create a bob that's going to sit right at her chin line and give a little bit of expansion to that area. I'm going to point cut my line just so I have a little bit of a soft texture from the very beginning in her cut. I've made her initial cut, and now when I look at it, I think it could come up just a little bit more. I want the line to be almost horizontal, so I'm using just a slight diagonal forward section and then cutting parallel to that line. I want to maintain maximum density inside of her hair, and so as I'm moving along through the front, there's a little bit less hair right here, so I'm going to cut without tension and completely blunt. I'm going to use the ADDPOWER thickening spray to blow dry Alicia's hair and then do all of her texturizing dry. When I'm working with a strong line like this, I always like to get it eye level so that I can clean up any excess graduation underneath. As I'm texturizing the hair, I love to work with the playable texture because it helps bring out the texture as I'm cutting it. I'm going to start in the back because that's where the bulk of her hair is, and I'm going to texturize her bottom line before moving into the interior. This is called deep parallel point cutting, and it softens and rounds the bottom line. As I move around to this side area, I have to be really careful because she doesn't have as much density there, so I don't want to do too much texture. On Alicia's hair, I want to create a little bit more fullness right in through the occipital bone area. So I'm going to go in and texturize in a square pattern, which will give some support to that area. With all of the internal texture we have in her hair and using the playable texture, she can either have a look that is really smooth, or we can go in and mess it up and she can have all this great texture. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, go to the KMS Global YouTube channel.